Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to walk you through the Home Go Dollhouse Playset travel and storage case with the bed and bedding for the 12-inch fashion dolls. Before you get started, make sure you look at everything included. If you're missing anything or if you have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. For step 1, you need part A, the doll case, part C, the case back, you need part B, the bed frame, and part D, the bed bottom. So first we're going to be assembling the doll case. When looking at the doll case, you're going to see that there's a side that opens up. So we're going to extend this open where you're going to be putting the case back insert into this area. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it into the bottom here and put it into the top and firmly push it all the way back. This is what's going to hold the case's frame. You also have this curtain here which has hook and loop tape on one side, and you're going to adhere to this hook and loop tape here. So let's get this attached like so. You're also going to be assembling the doll bed. So when looking at the bed here, we're going to open this up where you're going to be inserting in the base of the doll bed. You're going to put it into the bottom and gently but firmly push down into all four corners so it holds the bed's shape. For step 2, you have part F, the blanket, and part E, the pillow. The blanket and the pillow can be used to accessorize your fashion doll's bed. The neat feature about the fashion doll case is that you can put all these within the case and take it to go. So what you'll do is you'll take the bed frame out of the bottom here. You're going to fold back up the bed frame. You can tuck this right into your fashion doll case, along with the bedding and other accessories. Once you close it, you're going to take this hook and loop tape and secure it on the outside, and you can take it with you to go. And that concludes the walkthrough for the Home Go Dollhouse Playset Travel and Storage Case with the bed and bedding for the 12-inch fashion dolls. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.